Well, hello there. Back to the ROOTS. It's the best. Grow big. Better than the rest. My babies love their new home. These are about to get jammed in that dirt toe, foe. Do yourself a favor.
Here is my Back to the Roots breathable potting bag. Now, I gotta get some more dirt. I just got a pot in that side. I get more dirt to fill it up, but there's where I've already planted. It's really big and it's very breathable and sturdy. And
gardening is new for me. I purchased a Back to the Roots garden box, and here I am planting spinach in the middle, peppers to the left, onions to the right. These are tomatoes.
It's pretty deep. I bet you could grow